and welcome back for another video. As you can see, I was putting up some last minute decor. It is no longer Halloween anymore. I have completely taken everything down off the wall, off the tree, and yes, the tree is still up. It is basically a focal point at this point. I have switched over to all fall decor, and man, I am loving how everything is coming out, because you can see it's giving me fall vibes as well too. So just stay tuned to see how everything has come together. Leg up. Before we get started, I want to add some clips of our Halloween tree. If you missed it, it can be viewed on our YouTube channel or IGTV. As soon as Halloween was over, we began taking the tree down, and I was actually sad about this moment because it was our first Halloween tree. Moving on, right after Halloween, we don't have much time before Thanksgiving come rolling around, so I decided to put these things up pretty quickly. A lot of the items I got from either Walmart, Michael's, or Joann's, and a mixture of some things that I've already had at home. For the fall theme, we're going to be sticking with acorns, pumpkins, sunflowers, and fall leaves. This tree has been with me for ages, and every year I say I'm going to get rid of it, but somehow it just keeps sticking around. I'm adding some greenery to help with the fullness and to fill in some gaps of the tree itself. I also picked up some textured greenery to bring some dimension to the tree, and I'm glad I did this as well too. Now this is the fun part, but it can also be very tedious because you're trying to place things in the areas that you feel will look right, but then you have to go back, take them down, and then replace them somewhere else. But it's just a process of doing everything. A few of the items that I am using have a clip on the end of them, and most of the others have like a branch that I just use to stick into the tree. For the most part, they are all staying. It's just a matter of how and where you're putting them. My fall themed tree would not be complete without these leaves, so we are using them to complete the look. Now, don't y'all think for 1 second that I'm having a peaceful time doing this without these kids acting a fool. Now let's just carry on. What I have here is some material to make a skirt for the tree. I didn't find what I was looking for in the store, so I was just thinking I could just go ahead and just make this. I already have some basic knowledge of trying to make circled materials with sewing, so this was just a breeze for me. And there you have it. We have a skirt for our tree. As if I wasn't already doing DIY projects with the tree skirt, here we are doing canvas photos. This is also something that I learned to do last year for Christmas. I do have a video about that on my YouTube channel as well if you want to learn how to do this. But I'm glad I decided to go with this because it added a good touch to the wall. While keeping these babies busy, I started to work on another project that was going to be for wall decor as well. All right, y'all, here's the final looks of everything, and I hope you enjoy the rest of these clips. Here's a glimpse of everything at nighttime when the lights are dim and the tree is lit up. And for this nighttime view, the lights are on. Alright y'all, I just want to pop in and say thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, I'm about to ride this whole holiday themed tree out. I'm not sure how long it's gonna go for, but just stay tuned and see how the next season turns out. Thank you for watching again. Bye-bye.